Hey guys, Larry Hoffman here with LJH Investments, and I just want to start this series on a deal or dud. I was doing this a little while ago, and I just been really busy with making offers and things like that. So I just want to kind of get back into doing this for you guys. So here's a series, deal or dud, on this property. I actually made an offer on this performing note in Selma, Alabama, and it looks like a very nice house. And so I'll just go over a little bit of the property details. It's a three-bedroom, two-bath home. It was built in 1935. It has a square footage of 3,990 square feet, roughly about 4,000 square feet. Pretty decent home. The fair market value, it came in at 107,500. That's because this property was sold back in March of 2021. And the note, excuse me, the note details. It's a mortgage. It's a first position. It has a 30-year mortgage on it. The interest rate is 9%, and the principal and interest payment is $785. And there are 335.42 payments still remaining. So it still has a pretty good chunk left. It has a unpaid principal balance of $96,129, and 3 cents. So it gives you a loan to value of 89,000, 42%. So it's the equity there on that guy. It's a little low, but you can kind of offset that based off of your offer, right? So I made an offer of 68,400. We can, we went back and forth on it, and so we basically split the difference. And so I agreed to pay $71,000 for it. It gave me an investment to loan of 66.046%, which is pretty good, right? So my cushion in there is still pretty good in case something would happen and I would need to, foreclose and take the property back. But the borrower's been paying on this, and looked at the pay history. Everything was looking good on it. So the numbers, just to kind of go over with my offer, you would think that my yield is 12.9%, but you have to factor in. A lot of people don't factor in their due diligence cost. I have an attorney that looks at the review, looks at the document, and then with my BPO and title. So really, roughly, it's costing me $750. You also have to factor in servicing costs. On this one, my servicer is licensed in the state of Alabama, so they were going to charge me $15 a month. There was already insurance on the property, so I didn't have to pay that. Taxes were current. So my actual yield is 12.63%, which is really good on this performing note. I was able to buy it, potentially at a substantial discount. So my question would be, deal or dud? Well, here's the rest of the story. The BPO came back at 24,900. A tornado almost obliterated the area, and these were the agent's words. The market is totally unstable. Homeowners are still removing the falling trees, and homes are still being remodeled. And that house needs about, according to the agent, he said anywhere between $20,000 to $25,000. So I just aired on the $25,000. And what I did was I included some pictures from the BPO that came back. So the house right across the street was leveled. Right next door, I think, the roof, and like I said, that the subject house that I'm looking at, it didn't have a lot of damage, but roughly $25,000. It needs a new roof, windows need to be fixed, painted, siding needs to be repaired. So, he was estimating about 25,000. So as you can see, the as-is value is coming in at 24.9, and then the as repaired is 45,000 roughly, and a 30-day quick day sale is $22,000. So my question is, would it be a deal or a dud? It's a dud, and the reason is, simply because of the low broker's price opinion. The house needs about $25,000 in repair. The tornado almost decimated the area, in the market. I called, excuse me, I called the BPO agent, and then I also spoke to a couple other agents there, and they just said that this market right now is just totally unstable. due to everything that's going on. Homeowners are still, removing the falling trees. Their homes are still being remodeled. And another reason, and I'm totally fine with, like the low BPO that, houses being renovated just due to a tornado because, I know things happen. And the house in question still looks like it's in pretty good shape and it only needed $25,000. But I cannot, pay the 71,000 based off of this BPO. And then I even went down even lower. We actually came down to about 63,000 on the property. The seller did, and I just can't go. I can't go that high just simply because of the after repaired value. It's 45,000. So strictly for those reasons, that's why I had to pass on this deal. So maybe I'll give it a month or so, and then reach back out and see if he'd be a little bit more motivated on it. But anyway, I just want to show you, just walk through this real quick example, and then if you have any questions about this deal or other deals that I'm currently doing, or or even if you're just looking to put your self-directed IRA to work, maybe it's just sitting there not earning any interest, or your your certificate of disappointment, your bank CD isn't getting the yield that you're looking for. Just please reach out to me. We can have a 30-minute conversation or an hour conversation, however long you want to talk. Or if you have questions about that, or even deals that I'm doing, just please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me there on my cell phone, 513-301-1468. Shoot me an email, Larry at ljhinvestments.com. Go to talkwithlarryhoffman.com to schedule a 30-minute appointment. Or you can view me on LinkedIn there, Lawrence J. Hoffman Jr. I do a lot of marketing and posts and deals that I'm currently working on. Or you can just go to my website and check out a video I did, regarding use what kind of like what I'm doing with the notes and buying these assets and things like that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will hopefully talk to you guys later. Take care and have a really great day. Thanks. Bye bye.